What is given? Given ABC is an isosceles triangle. ABC is an isosceles triangle where AB is equal to AC. Okay, angle B and angle C intersect each other at O. We have to prove that this side OB is equal to this OB is equal to this OC. Okay, AB is equal to AC. By isosceles property, what can we say? Angles are also equal. If opposite sides are equal, then opposite angles are also equal. But given it divides equally, given it divides equally, when it divides equally, half of angle B is equal to half of angle C. Okay, but what is half of angle C? Either you can take angle 2 or you can take angle 1. Half, because it divides equally. Next, half of this or half of this, anyone we can take. So now I can take angle 2 is equal to angle 3. But what is angle 2? OBC is equal to OCB. Is that clear? Therefore, by isosceles property, opposite sides are also equal. Now, second part. In this is only the first part. Now we are going to do the second part of that question. Now we have to consider triangle OAB and triangle OAC. Already we have proved. Just now we have proved what we have proved from one first proof. From first proof, OB is equal to OC. We got one side and OA is called as a common side. OA is equal to OA, which is called as a common side. It is common for both. Okay, is it clear? Given, what is given? AB is equal to AC. AB is equal to AC. So we got three sides. Is it okay? We got three sides by SSS property, we can say. Now, AB is equal to AC, then what can we say by isosceles property? By isosceles property, angle B is equal to angle C. Now, again, same step. Half of angle B is equal to half of angle C. In the previous proof, we have taken these two. Now, we are going to take these two. How about these two angles? Let me check how they are. Angle ABO is equal to angle ACO. ACO means angle 1 is equal to angle 4. These two angles are equal. Now these two angles are equal. Therefore, by which property? One angle is equal and two sides are equal. This side is equal and this side is equal. By SAS property, you can take this side also, no problem. Either you can take all the three sides. You can use any two properties here. Is that clear? Therefore, by SAS property, triangle AOB is congruent to triangle AOC. Is that clear now? Okay. Next part. So these are the two parts. Now, if these two angles are equal, then what can we say by CPCT? These two angles are also equal. Suppose angle 5 is equal to angle 6. By CPCT, angle BAO is equal to angle CAO. What is this angle? A bisects. A angle A bisects. What is the meaning of bisect? Divides equally. What happens? Divides equally. By CPCT we can say these two angles are equal. By CPCT we can say these two angles are equal. Okay, these two angles are equal means what is that angle? BAO and CAO. These two angles are equal, then angle B bisects equally. This bisects equally. Is that clear now? Dear students, is it okay? Next. Read the next question meanwhile, all of you. Once again, I can't see. Hey, just dear student, just wait. 1 second. Is it okay now? Once again, I'm teaching. Once again, I'm teaching. Consider triangle OAB and OAC. From the first proof, what we got that OB is equal to OC. This is exercise 5.2. Okay. Now OB is equal to OC. Therefore, this is already, we just now proved. This is the common side and this is given already. AB is equal to AC. Here itself, we can say that by this SSS property, we can say, or we can take half of these two angles also. These two angles are also equal. Okay, by SAS property we can take, or you can take by SSS property. Here this side is equal to this side is equal to this side, and this is a common side. You can take either SSS property also here, SAS property or SSS property. Therefore, by CPCT, these two angles are equal. If the angles are equal, what can we say? Angle A bisects equally. It divides equally. Prajin, this is exercise 5.2. Okay, already we have finished 5.1. This is 5.2. In that, I have finished 7th and 8th because you have very less time on that day, no? For that reason. Notes. In a triangle ABC, AD is perpendicular to BC. This is a perpendicular bisector. Bisector means it divides equally. Okay. BD is equal to CD. And perpendicular means this makes 90 degrees. Okay. Now we'll take as this has a 90 degrees and this has a 90 degrees. Consider two triangles ADB and ADC. Okay. AD is equal to AD. This is called common side. Common side. Okay, from this BD is equal to CD. Why? Because D bisects. Okay, next angle, this is how much? 90 degrees. Since it is ADB is equal to ADC, this is how much? 90 degrees. This is also given. By which property? By SAS property. By SAS property, triangle ADB is congruent to triangle ADC. By CPCT, I can say this side is equal to this side. AB is equal to AC. Therefore, if opposite sides are equal, if opposite sides are equal, ABC is an isosceles triangle. Which triangle is this? Isosceles triangle. Yeah, dear students, any doubts? See, given, what is given? ABC is an isosceles triangle. If it is an isosceles triangle, AB is equal to AC. Okay, AB is equal to AC, and BE and CF are two altitudes. Now we have to prove that these two altitudes are equal. Okay, now A is a considered triangle ABE and AFC. This side is a common angle. Angle A is equal to angle A. This is a common angle, and given AB is equal to AC. This is already given. Okay, AFC is equal to AEC, which is already equal 90 degrees, which is 90 degrees. Okay, these two angles are equal. Therefore, which property is this? By property ASA property, we can say these two triangles are congruent. If these two triangles are congruent, by CPCT, we can say angle side CF is equal to side BE, but these two are called altitudes. Is that clear now? Given, what is given in triangle ABC? AB, BE and CF are two altitudes, and they are also equal altitudes, are two equal altitudes. How they are? Equal altitudes. Now what we have to prove? We have to prove that ABE and ACF are two congruent triangles, and we have to prove AB is equal to AC. That is, triangle ABC should be isosceles triangle. We have to prove that ABC is an isosceles triangle. Consider two triangles ABE and ACF. Angle A is called which angle? Angle A is called common angle. It is there here also and it is there here also. Therefore, angle A is equal to angle A. This is common angle. AB is equal to AFC is equal to how much? 90 degrees. This is already given. Okay. Next, BE is equal to CF. This is also given. Okay, by SAS property, what can we say? By SAS property, these two triangles are congruent. Therefore, by CPCT, opposite sides are equal. AB is equal to AC. If opposite sides are equal, then triangle ABC is called as an isosceles